Hi team, here's an explanation of the design choices I made while making the infographic on distracted driving that we need. The design principle of proximity means to group related items together. In this infographic, I grouped these two graphic elements together so that the reader knows that these two have similar topical statistics presented in a different way. Both of these sections talk about the common occurrence of distracted driving on the United States population. The principle of visual hierarchy is the arrangement of information to derive focal points in the document. In this infographic, I created a focal point of the visualized number right here, and also with these two pie charts which draws the eyes further down the page. The principle of alignment is where text or images are shifted relative to the page. I used a horizontal alignment in this infographic where most of the information was aligned to the left or the right of the center. The principle of closure is the human's eyes to fill in negative space in an image to perceive it as a whole unit. Here in my isotype, there is closure in each icon. Although real humans do not have a floating head, there is enough detail for readers to know what the icon stands for. The principle of similarity and anomaly is grouping items together based on similar appearance. The isotype is an example of this, because the 5-person icons together form the group. The principle of color harmony is when colors blend nicely together to present all information in a non-distracting order. I used an analogous color scheme of oranges and reds with a gray color to achieve this harmony. I also did these colors because they indicate a sense of warning, which is what this infographic is trying to display. The principle of contrast is the difference between the background tone and the foreground tone so they harmonize and not distract. I used a saturated darker orange, red, and black on a beige background to create contrast. The fonts that I used in this infographic were Oswald, a serif font, and Lato, a sans serif font. I also used the Oswald font on the visual number to create a greater contrast. Thank you for listening, and let me know if you have any questions.